Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about the Samsung phone sound and vibration setting. In this video friends, we will talk about guys how can we off vibrate mode in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to off your vibrate mode settings, so friend, how can you off? In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So it's now time to start video friend. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see sound and vibration setting friends, tap here. So friends, you can see your vibrate mode setting is here, sound mode setting. So friends, you can see your mute option and sound option. So when you want to off your vibrate mode, so friends, click on the sound mode option. Then you can the sound mode and you can use it. Your sound mode setting guys, your vibrate mode will off in your Samsung phone guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Bye bye friend. Before going, please go and like the video.